In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block friends in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through this on the Messenger website using a computer, so if your screen looks a little different from the mobile app, that is expected and totally fine. First, open Messenger. On a computer, that usually means going to the Messenger website in your browser or opening it from inside Facebook if that is how you use it. When Messenger loads, you should see your list of recent conversations on the left, with message content on the right once you select one. If you are asked to log in, sign in with your Facebook account so your chats appear. Now, open the conversation with the person you want to block. Look through the list of chats on the left side and click their name. When you click it, the conversation thread should fill the main area, showing your previous messages, photos, or calls with that person. Take a second to double check it is the correct contact, because the block will apply to whoever is in this open chat. Once that conversation is open, click Options. On the Messenger website, the Options menu usually appears near the top of the conversation area, often as 3 small dots or the word Options, depending on the current layout. When you click it, a small menu will drop down, showing several tools and settings just for this conversation. If you do not see Options right away, look carefully near the person's name at the top of the chat window, since Messenger sometimes moves this menu slightly but keeps it close to the conversation header. From that Options menu, click Block. After you select Block, a new box or panel will appear on your screen, centered over the conversation. This panel is where Messenger explains what blocking will do for this chat. You will see different choices here, not just a single yes or no, so read them for a moment rather than rushing ahead. Next up, choose Block Messages and Calls, or Block on Facebook. Block messages and calls will stop this person from sending you messages or calling you in Messenger, but they may still see your Facebook profile depending on your other settings. Block on Facebook is stronger, and it blocks them across Facebook as well, which affects things like friend requests and profile interactions. A lot of people mix these up, so think about whether you only want to silence Messenger contact or completely block the account in Facebook too. After you pick the option that fits what you want, click Block. When you click Block, Messenger immediately applies that choice. You do not need to click anything else to save it. You may see a short confirmation message or a small notice in the conversation saying that you have blocked this person. If you chose only to block messages and calls, the chat will usually remain visible, but they will not be able to contact you through Messenger. You have now blocked someone on the Messenger website, stopping their messages and calls, so please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Facebook tips.